In this video, I will show you one idea that can help B2B manufacturers to stop foot traffic in just 3 seconds at trade shows. At trade shows, people don't have so much time to decide whether they will stop at your booth or they will walk away. So you only have 3 seconds to capture their attention. And the idea that will help increase your booth engagement is turning your trade show booth into a sales funnel. And this idea or this sales funnel is based on a visual system. And this system has 3 stages. Stage 1, which is attention, stage 2, engagement, stage 3, qualification. And this is exactly how a sales funnel works. In a sales funnel, you have the first stage is attention, and the second stage is engagement or interest, and the last stage is the qualification or the sale. So now let's start with stage 1, which is attention. And what I mean by attention here is that you should have some videos or visuals that capture peripheral vision. This has to be something that is unique or unfamiliar. And of course, these videos should be displayed on the main screen or the biggest screen in the booth. And this way people can notice your booth even if they are far away from your booth. And the best example of these type of videos are the Anamorphic 3D display. And simply these type of videos are a forced perspective videos. It can be a video similar to what you are watching right now. We can simply create a video that makes the product comes out of screen. Of course, it's an optical illusion. It's not coming out of the screen, but it acts like if it's coming out of the screen. And at this stage, we are not trying to sell. We're not trying to explain any feature or any unique selling point in our product. We are just trying to capture people's attention. So when they see these videos, they feel that this booth is unique. So what is the next step? They try to approach this booth. Now, when leads come to our booth, they are curious. They want to know more about what they have just seen. And here we start stage 2, which is communicating depth, which means simply that we are trying to explain more about our product. And here you can show the prospects some technical features, some unique selling points, and we can also show them an exploded view of the product. What are the internal mechanics, how it works, and how our product will solve their problems. And these feature videos or the exploded views videos should be displayed in the internal screens of the booth. So we have our outer screens that are capturing people's attention and attracting them to our booth, and the internal screens are educating people about our product. The last stage, stage 3, which is the result. Now, when we made our prospect curious at the first stage and educated in the second stage, what will be the result? The result is that the visitor has already processed what our product does and how it works and why it matters. And this way we have saved a lot of time for our sales team to explain from the very beginning what is our product, what are the solutions that we are providing, etc. And of course, nothing is guaranteed here, but what we can say is that we can compress the 18-month sales cycle that you already have. And that's because the visual ecosystem that we have explained has done the pre-selling for you. On the other side, let's see what average companies do when they design their booth. They treat visuals as a commodity, not a system that is attracting and qualifying the leads. So the booth is designed as a physical presence, not a visual funnel. They are just saying that we are here. So what they normally do, flat, boring banners, static images, and generic corporate colors. Nothing unique, nothing special, and their booth looks exactly like every other booth on the trade show. So what will make the people stop? Nothing. Nobody stops. So now how can we evaluate if the booth visuals are working with us and helping us or working against us? Here are 6 questions that you should answer before your booth is ready. If someone is 15 feet away from your booth, will he stop? Will he notice your booth? Does your screen use motion when you are introducing your new product? If someone watches your 60-second video, will he understand your product without a sales rep? Do you have a video that shows the internal mechanics of the product using CGI or animation? Do you repurpose the content of the trade show on social media channels and your email marketing campaigns? And the last question, do your visuals communicate your unique selling points and features without text? If you answer 2 questions or more with a no, so you have to re-evaluate your booth visuals. This way you are in a very risky situation of looking average at the trade show. You are risking the $150,000 that you are spending on a booth, and at the end you will look like an average company. Your booth will look like everyone else's booth. And to help you with that, I have an assessment that you can take. It is a very simple assessment, 15 questions. It takes only 2 minutes to complete, and it will give you a score on how ready are your booth visuals. And speaking of a trade show budget, I highly recommend that you watch this video because it will help you develop a strategy to showcase your product. It will help you to find a way to demo complex product without shipping the hardware across the country. Thanks, and I'll see you there.